Welcome to the info with me NOKIA G60, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So first, I'll just set here the maximum amount on the decibel meter, so I'll just use the decimeter to do that. And this maximum amount means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value on the display will change. So let's just start. So as we can see, our device reached 112.2 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.